Hey, what's up, guys? Tumor DJ right here. Starting on the week on the 3rd of February, I sent signals to my group about AU, AC, and also EJ. So I was anticipating AU to go bearish, and let me show you what I see on the daily time frame. Everything is bearish here. You can see it, and it's like kind of like uh inverted, like head and shoulder, right? So I went to the 4 hour time frame here. You can see the analysis, and I was anticipating the downtrend after the break and retest of the zone. All right, I went to the 1 hour time frame as well to try and see a retest. So this was the first trade that I took on AU. All right, and it gave me 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and that's why you're seeing it here on the 5th. You can see in it, I made 4k around there, so I was able to recover a lot in my account then. So I understood that the market didn't actually retest it on this zone very well, so it was kind of rejecting the zone, and I was anticipating this level here because on the 1 hour you can see this is the 1 hour zone. It has touched once, twice, and this is the third time that it was touching. So I sent the signal again, right? I sent the signal again. This was on 6th. Yeah, I sent the signal again at this level 655057 I sent the signal again to go short when the market reaches here, and when it taps here I went short again. All right, so when I saw the market, first of all, I had a quick entry because I entered very quickly. I didn't even send the signal at first, right? And that was what made me this loss, 927.46. And so my punishment was the loss. Like, I made a loss because I get this loss because I was so quick. For you to understand, I was so quick. I wasn't even able to send the signal to the group. All right. So, and then later on, when the market was, everything was steady, and then I decided to exit the trade. When I noticed my mistake, I exited the trade because I don't want the trade to be a loss. And definitely, why would I let it? Because I know I've already made a mistake, I'm not following the plan, so I just exited the trade. And then I waited for the market to show me a bearish candle, and I entered when every signal arrives, right? So when I entered, the trade started moving, and I was targeting here. At first I was targeting here, even though I wasn't targeting this huge risk reward ratio. The first time I was targeting just 1 to 2 out of this trade, somewhere around here. Yeah, I was just targeting 1 to 2. So when the market reaches here, I set break even, and I set break even. Okay, and I let the trade to continue running, but eventually the market, when it reaches this point, it went all the way up and it hits me at break even, and that's why you can see me with this 105.24. And you can see the entry price was almost same thing, right? Because I entered with stop order again at that same price, and the market started moving, and then it hit break even. So the update here is that, guys, I was able to recover my account balance. Now we're just a loss of 8%. I think last week it was minus 30 something percent. Now you can see it's just minus 8%. So man, that is a good one. And you can see now we have 50-50 risk to reward. Okay, we have out of 14 trades, we have 7 loss and 14 7 loss and 7 wins. And still, guys, you can see that we're still on good stuff. Now what I want you to understand is about the calculation of the risk management, guys, because if I wasn't using good or proper risk to reward, if I wasn't really using proper good risk to reward, it would have been a very different thing, right? Because yeah, I know it's a small account, I'm not really using strict risk to reward ratio, but still it's kind of like good, because if not using good risk to reward and trade management, there should have been a problem, and I'll be in a very huge drawdown. Should I say that I can't even recover this account? I mean, I wouldn't lie, there was a time that I was even thinking of just withdrawing my money and stuff, but I said, I don't know, let's just keep going. So I was able to make it and recover the account balance, and now you get a lessons, guys. It's about lessons. We're getting it out, and it is what it is. Now we're just around minus 1099, yeah. So I know inshallah we'll make it. You can see minus 1099. So we'll make it now. The account balance is just 12,500. That is the account balance right now. You can see 12,500.96, and that was it, guys. That is it, guys. So it is what it is, guys. Keep on firing. And there's this AC trade that I sell actually. AUD card. Okay, I told them that they should enter the trade, but the trade was actually fluctuating. I didn't even enter the trade, so I just sent the signal. So the trade was fluctuating. Then I just tell them to exit the trade. All right, I just told them to exit AC trade. Let's wait for volume, and the volume wasn't there. So I think it was a no loss and no gain when I told them that. Yeah, but I didn't even enter the trade, so I just sent the signal out there. So it is what it is, guys. That is all for this video, and see you in the next one.